Someone asked me a question, when can I apply beard growth oil? Beard growth oil is a product which consists of mixtures of oils which helps you to grow a beard. When can you apply the beard growth oil? How often can you apply beard growth oil? I apply twice a day. In the morning when I wake up and in the evening when I want to sleep. What I do before I apply the beard growth oil, I wash my face, make sure that I remove all the dead skin cells. If it means exfoliating, I do that. Then I apply the beard oil, not everywhere, but where you want the beard to grow. Like you just apply where you want the beard to grow. You do that twice, but I recommend thrice if possible. Otherwise, you can apply as often as you can, but just make sure that whenever you go out, like when you come back, apply the beard oil. And make sure you just do the right things like exercising, and just taking care of your skin, your face, because the beard doesn't grow if you have a lot of dead skin cells on your face. You're going to experience like a lot of pimples. I don't know how you call them in your language, but a lot of like acne on your face. You're just going to like not grow a beard. But if the skin is clean, you take care of your face, you remove the dead skin cells, the beard is going to grow healthy and very fast, especially if you use a beard growth oil. What I want you to do right now is to subscribe to this channel, invite your friends that you think can be helped with the videos that I make here on this page. Invite them and tell them that there's someone on the internet that actually helps those people who want to grow a beard for the first time, the beginners, because I'm also a beginner. So when I'm talking to you, the one who is like growing the beard for the first time. Please subscribe to this channel. Follow this page, like it and share it. Thank you for watching.